Prop Joyce here with some exciting news. Today we have an exclusive giveaway in collaboration with the 5%ers, one of the most popular prop firms in the industry. We're giving away 4 20K Bootcamp accounts just for you, the Prop Joyce audience. These are some of the most sought after accounts in the prop trading world, featuring up to 100% profit split, unlimited time to pass, and the ability to scale your account with every 5% profit target. And that's not all. We're also offering an exclusive discount link that'll grant you 5% off. The 5%ers already offer some of the best prices in the industry, with accounts starting from just $39. This extra discount makes for even better value. So, how to enter the competition and win your free account? Simple. Simply click the competition link in the description. When the competition closes in 2 weeks, our 4 winners will be drawn and notified immediately. In the meantime, you can grab your 5% discount right now using the website link in the description. I am seriously excited to be partnering with the 5%ers for this giveaway. They are one of the most trusted and reliable prop firms, and for that reason, they're one of the only ones I choose to trade with myself. The 5%ers was established in 2016 and has grown to become one of the most reputable names in the industry. One of my favourite aspects of the 5%ers is the extensive educational resources they provide. This includes unlimited access to daily trading rooms, webinars and guides. For a free taste of what they have to offer, I recommend subscribing to their YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description. With a wide range of programs catered to all types of traders and experience levels, you can be certain the 5%ers has something for everyone. There are 3 main funding models. They offer instant funding and real accounts with up to $4 million and profit shares up to 100%. And then there's the Bootcamp program, the first low entry cost challenge where you can prove your skills and pay the rest only once you've passed. And finally, the high stakes program, a 2-step challenge where you profit from step 1, and it's the fastest scaling plan in the industry with a max profit split of 100%. This is an incredible opportunity to grab a great deal and potentially win a completely free account at what many traders consider to be the world's top prop trading firm. To enter the giveaway, subscribe to our channel and click the competition link in the description. We'll be announcing our 4 lucky winners of the 20K Bootcamp accounts as soon as the competition closes in 2 weeks, so don't miss out. Subscribe and click that link and get your entries in. In the meantime, use our exclusive link below to get a 5% discount on any of the 5%ers programs. And if you'd like to find out more about the 5%ers, subscribe to their YouTube channel, and you can watch my detailed video review linked in the description. That's it for now. Big thanks to the 5%ers for supporting our community. And if you liked this video and want to see more competitions and giveaways in the future, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any thoughts to share with the 5%ers, leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and good luck with the giveaway.